Ooh, you found more eggs, I see. You're gonna be
I
all
think she knows which ones to get.
jacked up on sugar before breakfast.
What happened? What else is there?
Are there more eggs? It looks like more eggs, Avi. Come here. Ooh. Avi. Avi, did the Easter Bunny leave you anything? Mickey? Minnie? Who else? Yeah? Do you want me to get it for you? Ooh. Yay! It's Mickey!
Did the Easter Bunny bring you Mickey Mouse?
Ooh. Mickey. Who else? Who else? Who's that? Who's that, Avi? Minnie? Yeah. And the floor. Who else? Who else? Oh, she's sleeping. Okay. Who's that? Pluto. Yeah. What else? What else? Goofy. Who else? Who else?
No,
Minnie.
that's Avi's Minnie.
That's Avi's Minnie. That's for Minnie Avi. Who else? Who else? Who else? Ooh, what's that? What? Books. Yeah. It's Mickey Easter. More books. No, more chocolate. Is that the bunny? Yeah. Ooh, who's that? Elmo. What's that? Another book, yeah. The Happy Easter Mouse. What's that? Bible stories for girls. Ooh. What else? Who are those people? What's that? Ooh, those are bunnies. What else? What else? What else? Ooh, more books. What's the matter?
You gotta go pee-pee?
You gotta go potty? Alright, we gotta take a time out.